To allow an app to use battery in the background without restriction in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, go to app screen and then find the desired app you like to change its battery usage setting. To find the app quickly, tap the search and then type the app name. Now long tap the app icon and then select app info. Scroll down the screen. Under usage section, tap battery and then select unrestricted. By choosing this setting, your phone will allow the selected app to use battery in the background without restriction. However, you have to remember that the setting may reduce your battery life. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.